Okay, Dan. So we've gone over simplifying expressions. We've gone over 3 levels of factoring. So that's a really big thing. You need to practice those as much as you can and follow the rules as much as you can. But more importantly, you need to recognize how they tie into everything else. You can't think of them as individually. So when I look at this one right here, okay, this is number 23 under solving quadratic equations. X squared minus 16 equals 0. Well, wait a minute. Why am I writing it in 2 colors, number one? Number two, does this look familiar? X squared minus 16, we just did a little while ago. And the fact of the matter is, you're doing exactly the same thing. So the way you learned this was, I'm going to rewrite this as, because it's only 2 terms, remember, and because this is a perfect square, x minus 4 times x plus 4 equals 0 still remains. So,
I need a soccer.
Look in that bucket. So the question is this, Dan.
I can't find it.
When I have x minus 4 and x times x plus 4,
I can't find a ball.
why does it equal 0? Or how do I solve when it equals 0? And the answer is, I'm
I
looking to
can't find a ball.
That's not a ball, it's a circle. Go watch out.
I can't find a ball.
And the answer is, I look at each term individually. So I ask myself, what makes that 0? What makes x minus 4 0? And the answer is positive 4. That's one of my solutions. That's a check mark. Okay? That's positive. And then what makes this 0? Question mark. This is x equals negative 4. And this is called the zero product property. You don't need to know the term, but the fact of the matter is, it means if 0 is multiplied by anything, the whole thing is 0. So when I've broken these up into different terms multiplying by each other, then it makes a lot of sense to simply look at each term individually. Okay, one more example.